New at 6 schools in Baraboo and Sauk Prairie are gearing up to test some students and staff for tuberculosis next week.
This comes after a person who had contact at the schools had a positive test come back. Amy Reed joins us now to share why health officials say they don't think students are infected.
The Sauk County Health Department said these tests, which will be at no cost, are out of an abundance of caution. Still, for parents who heard this news today, this is scary. The woman we spoke to said she wasn't waiting for the free test. She took her kid to the doctor today.
Just saying that my son had a possible exposure to TB, which is very, very scary to hear as a parent.
When Heidi Hoekstra heard the news from her son's school nurse, she worried not just for her 6-year-old, but for her other kids at home too.
They didn't say how big of a risk it was, anything like that. Just said, your son has been exposed. There's other people as well, and we're not the only one.
Sauk County Health Department said they had to contact about 50 people to let them know they might have been exposed to someone with tuberculosis. Some at schools in Baraboo and Sauk Prairie districts. But Director Tim Lother said they are only being cautious.
The likelihood of any of these children or staff folks or anybody else catching the disease from this person is very, very low. But out of an abundance of caution, we thought it was good to make sure that we tested, just to make sure.
Lother said the reason it's so low is because they aren't sure the initial person is sick. One test came back positive, 2 came back negative. A confirmation test will take 6 to 8 weeks. This person has also not shown any symptoms.
There are experts out there who would suggest we don't really need to be testing as extensively as we will, but we've decided in order to be safe and in order to alleviate concerns of parents that we will conduct this level of testing.
For Heidi, safety is what it's all about.
Hopefully everybody gets the news that they want to hear and this can all just go away.
After the initial round of testing next week, the health department is paying to have another round of testing done in about 8 to 10 weeks. Again, they don't expect there to be any cases, but said you can keep an eye out for unusual symptoms like coughing, blood in your cough, and night sweats or chills, and then call your doctor if you're worried.
All right, Amy, thank you very much.